Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Garden Obsessions. What we have here is for our friends in zone 9 through 11. This is a tropical plant. It is a brown bud. The specific name is Allamancda Cathartica. It gives out these beautiful yellow blooms with brown on the inside. So with this plant here, if you look closely here, I'm gonna pull the leaf off here. This one has a milky substance on the inside. You can barely see it there, but the bigger leaves have the milky substance. This stuff is poisonous to pets and also if consumed. If you get it on your skin too, it'll cause some irritation. So we're gonna put it out here by the faucet, so it's far away from the pets and the kids that run around the neighborhood here. We're gonna plant it here by the faucet, like I said. Give it enough water twice a week. Make sure it does pretty good. It's also a vining plant, so we're gonna put a trellis right behind it and intertwine it there. Hopefully it'll grow up this wall. Come winter, we'll winter it, we'll pull it out, probably prune it down a little bit and keep it inside for a little bit in our patio area so it doesn't freeze over. With all the plants that we do, we're going to use some organic soil here at the bottom, just to get it a little bit filled in. And we're going to use some biotone fertilizer. We're just going to mix that up nice. So with this plant here, it was one of the last ones that we bought. Got it fairly cheap. It was about $14. This is considered an annual here in our zone. Zones 9 through 11, it's a perennial. So that's why I mentioned we're gonna winterize it, take it out, and put it in the patio so it doesn't freeze over. So all the blooms are facing that way, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it this way. So when we get the trellis on there, we're gonna vine it through the trellis. That way it goes straight up rather than coming out. So as I'm vining this through, I want to be careful not to break too much of it. And I didn't plant it completely in yet, only because I want to get it going through here before we completely plant it through. Got this bamboo that was already there holding it up. Here's that flower again. And we're just going to backfill it with the dirt there. So we appreciate you watching our videos. I'm trying to get out of here real quick. The mosquitoes are really getting me pretty bad, so we're gonna try to wrap this up really quick. But hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give us a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel so we can continue doing these awesome videos. I know it's getting late in the season, but like I said, like the channel says, we're obsessed. We tend to buy whatever we see. We go out, we see something on sale, I'm more than likely gonna pick it up, and we'll figure out what to do with it. We're definitely going to take care of these plants. We're definitely going to do what's needed for these plants. We're not just going to buy some stuff just to buy it. But again, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.